Hey, can you see and hear me?
Yes, I can.
What?
Yeah, I can. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Okay, good. Just making sure. Hey, Steve, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Um, for the unit circle that Brother Jordan had us do, I'm just a little bit confused on what our instructions for it are.
I haven't looked at the assignment yet. Are you talking about inside this assignment?
Yeah, it was for the preparation for the today.
Oh, wait, so was it on MMA? Whatever my math labs?
No, it wasn't. It was just so it's just on iLearn. Let's
Yeah.
see.
All right, let me look for it.
Under week 2, lesson 1 and 2 preparation. And then it was a unit circle sheet, and we were supposed to fill it out for this. If you didn't do it, that's fine. We can do it together.
Go to trigonometry vocab sheet. Use a storyline. Pi degrees. Which number are you doing? Which activity?
The unit circle
Oh,
sheet, it should
unit
be
circle
like
sheet.
the third or fourth
Yeah.
one down.
Okay, I know what you're talking about.
Okay.
So a
Did
unit circle sheet is the one that has. Let me. I
Am I
haven't filled
on?
Yeah, you're
out
on.
the really.
Okay, cool.
We're just talking about the unit circle sheet that we were supposed to do in preparation for this.
Right. I didn't print it out, but I started drawing it
Okay.
here. I
They're
don't think
really,
you can
really
see it.
easy. They're really, really
But
easy.
it's there though.
You can Google it right now, and it'll come up with the complete one.
Okay, sweet.
Yeah.
It's basically like it's like a guide to help you convert like radians to degrees and stuff like that.
Okay.
Just the general one. So like 45 degrees, 60 degrees.
Yeah. I know how to do that. I'm just wondering why are there like the sets? Like it looks like they're asking for like a set of something.
Yeah.
Are you talking about the coordinates or?
Here,
Oh, is that what? Yeah.
let me share my screen really fast.
How do I switch over to my computer? I answered this on my phone, but what's the website I go to on the computer?
Um,
Just go to your Gmail account, and then if you can, Kayla, you're probably gonna have to resend it to him.
okay.
And then if you can, it should pop up like in your contacts on the left side of your Gmail account. That's what I did, at least. So,
Okay.
Kayla, I'm sharing my
Hello.
screen.
Dude, you're upside down.
Fix it. This isn't my laptop.
Contact.
Pretty good. I'm just trying to get Jennifer into it. She's just having trouble finding where the invitation is. Ashton, do you want me to resend you the invitation?
Yeah, so where do I go like from here? Do you see that? I don't know if you can or not. I don't even know. I can just keep it on my phone, I guess. Like from here, do you see that? I don't know if you can or not.
Oh, shoot. Okay, sorry, I thought I did something wrong, so.
Kayla, did you see? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can.
This is the
Wait,
complete
you or your screen?
my screen. So
No, I can see you though.
I shared my screen. You can only see me.
Yeah, I can only see you. But I know how to convert degrees into radians. I'm just wondering why there are coordinates on there.
So
That's just,
go ahead.
you go ahead.
Each coordinate has to do with sine and cosine. So
Okay.
the cosine is going to be the first. I believe it's the first coordinate. Maybe that's sine. I don't remember.
Cosine's
I
X.
think cosine's X, yeah.
Cosine's X, and sine is y. So in the homework, have you done the MML homework?
No.
I have.
No, I
yet.
procrastinate until the very last minute. Seriously though.
Yeah.
I
Okay,
have
so
to be busy.
that's okay. That's okay. In the homework, it'll say, I don't remember the stuff, but it'll say like find what is the sine of 5 pi over 6, and so that's what the x and y coordinates are for. So you're basically referring to the
Sine
x
and cosine.
unit circle.
By
Okay.
chance, do you know how to do that? Because I have no idea how to do the whole like
I do.
cosine and sine. Like I can do whole numbers, but I can't seem to do anything else. I don't know how that works.
Do you have an example?
Negative pi over 2, cosine negative pi over 2.
Okay. So do you have your unit circle available? Negative pi over 2?
Yeah, I have it, and I guess I'll just show it upside down so you guys put it right side up. Yeah, I mean, I know it's a negative 90-degree angle.
So what degree, if that weren't like just looking on the unit circle, what degree would that be if there weren't like any negatives? The opposite of
It'd be
90 degrees.
Oh wait, Ashton, do I still need to resend you an invitation?
I don't even know where I would accept it.
Okay, sorry, I just got very, very distracted. Give me 1 second and I'll resend it to you and then maybe it will work.
So it's like I just
Anyway,
go
I
to
just
my.
thought I'd ask.
You go ahead. You're good.
No, that was just a stupid comment. Just ignore me.
So you're right, it's 270 degrees, but it's asking you for the sine and the cosine of that. So that's when it refers to the x and y coordinates.
So do you just take that negative pi over 2
No.
into the equation?
What do you mean? Can you share me your screen or show me what you were
Let's see.
looking at?
Here, let's see if I can make it big. So cosine of negative pi over 2. I could put that in the equation.
Make sure that you write it upside down because you're upside down right now. I'm just kidding, Dustin. Relax.
Yeah. I'm writing the equation upside down. How do you do it upside down?
You don't have to write it upside down. You can just flip the page, man.
Now you challenge me.
No, just write it normally and then flip your page upside down.
What's the equation again?
I'm making it actually.
You're making it up.
Okay. It is an example that's actually I found. So. Can you even see that?
No. I'm sorry.
I'm a lost cause. Don't worry about me then. It will come in the night, just after a long night's rest.
That's okay.
It'll come.
Okay, hopefully Jennifer will get the invitation soon. I have a question. Are these supposed to be an hour long or are they no time limit at all?
I didn't see a time limit.
Okay, perfect. Just until we're done. I need to plug my computer in.
Oh, okay. I found the Hangout page. Can you resend me the invite? I'll get off of this one.
Okay, I think I did already resend it to you. See if
There it is.
if not,
Hold on.
text me.
Okay. Cool, there we go.
Do we have everybody here?
No. Trying to get Jennifer on. So she's frustrated because it's not working. Ah,
Working.
yay, it worked.
Sweet.
Finally.
Okay, awesome. So, Brother Jordan sent me an email, and so we are supposed to start with a prayer. So does someone want to say it?
I'll do it.
Okay, perfect, thanks.
Father in heaven, thank you for this day that we could come together through technology and Google Hangouts. Thanks for this class that we can take that'll help us go to bigger and better things, help us to learn a lot, and help us that our minds may be open and receptive to others. And these things we ask in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
All right, so if everyone goes to iLearn, there's an outline of what we're going to be doing during this Google Hangout. Does everyone have that? Can everyone pull that up?
Yeah, the extension problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, one of them is extension problems. There's team discussion, extension problems. Can you all find that?
What is it called again?
It's under week 2. It's called Lesson 1 and 2 Instructions for GHOA number 1.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so that's what we're going to be going over today. Was everyone able to do the preparation?
I think I was able to do that being the extension problems, correct?
I just did the
no, we didn't
circle.
have to do the extension problems yet. Sorry, what
Oh,
were you saying,
okay.
Jennifer?
Oh, I did. Well, I had this circle already from the previous class.
Oh,
And it's the same one that we were supposed to fill out, so I'm like, okay.
okay, perfect.
You can just
That's awesome. I'm still filling mine out right now.
Yeah, so I thought that all the homework was due on Saturday, and I didn't know that we had to actually prepare for this. So, like 30 minutes before, I'm like, oh crap.
Oh,
But
okay.
I remember I had the circle, so I'm like, it's good.
Okay, nice. Okay. Okay. Well, let's go through everything, and then we'll, if anyone missed anything, then we'll get to it when we come to it, I guess. Yes. Team discussion. Discuss and make sure each team member can define radians. What are radians? Does anyone want to define it? Or does everyone know what radians are? I guess we could just all unanimously say yes.
Isn't it basically another way to measure?
Like the radius of a circle is equal to the arc that the angle presents. So if you have like a 60-degree angle, so that curvature of that arc is going to be equal to the same radius from the edge of the circle.
What does everyone else say?
I have the unit of an angle equal to an angle at the center of a circle whose arc is equal to the length to the radius.
That's what I have.
Okay. Yeah. The radians are basically just like a number and then pi, and so it's explaining
The radius
the distance around the circle, I guess.
And a full circle would come out to be 2 pi.
Yeah.
The unit circle, anyways.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's the next one? Has everyone filled out their unit circle correctly with degrees, radians, and the xy value for the sine and cosine functions?
I think so.
Mostly.
Steve, you have yours filled out, right?
Yeah.
Steve, do you have yours filled out?
Me?
No, Steve.
Oh.
Is he responding?
Hello? No.
I don't know. Okay. I have most everything filled out except for my cosine sine. So how did you guys figure that out and fill it out?
That's nice.
Well, I used a lot of the Pythagorean theorem to figure out a lot of the angles. There was also in the review section, it had this very same thing. I explained it to you and how it worked. And so I fiddled around with this example that it had, and I was able to figure out like the positive and the negative, all that stuff on the outside, and make sure I was correct.
There's also a pattern when you look at it. One of the reviews, I don't know which one, it talked about it, but how it goes like from this way. I don't know if my screen's facing the way is the same as yours. But going counterclockwise, like the x values go 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then it's the -1 and 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. It kind of just switches back and forth for both the cosine and sine.
Okay. Oh, I know which exercise you're talking about. Okay.
It was somewhere in there. I don't remember which one.
Okay. All right. So is everyone confident with their unit circle, or should we go over it? I think we lost Steve somehow.
Yeah, I don't see him anymore.
Okay, give me 1 second. I'm just gonna... Oh, he said his computer decided to freak out.
Oh yeah, I just got that.
Oh, okay. That was a group text. There you go. Let me just resend it to him just in case. Okay. All right, and then you guys all probably went over the vocabulary sheet too. Was there anything that you guys didn't understand from that or from the homework?
I think everything is pretty self-explanatory.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. A lot of his, I feel like his review from high school.
Yeah. That's
Remember
exactly
that.
what it is.
Yeah.
For my geometry class.
Geometry too.
Yeah. I haven't taken it in like 7 years maybe. Well, trigonometry, it's been, I don't know, 4 or 5, so.
I've never taken trig. I mean, I took pre-calc, but that's kind of close, I guess, from what I see.
Yeah, sometimes certain universities decide to, or not universities, what are they called? High schools decide to call it something different, but it might have been pre-calc.
Mm-hmm.
Who knows? Okay, so let's do the extension problems. Was someone saying that they did the extension problems already?
I did not do them, so that was
No,
not
that
me.
was, I think, Dustin. Didn't you say you did them already?
No, I thought that we had to. I haven't done any of them yet. But that's the stuff that I need help with, is trying to figure these things out. Because like I said, I'm good with whole numbers. If you put like sine 4 or something, like I'll figure that out. But like, I'm trying to think if there's some sort of different operation when you have 4 pi over 3 or 7 pi, like. So.
And I think for that, so when you did your circle, it had all the radians. So like you have your pi, I can't even read these. I
5
wrote
pi
it. I can't read it. Yeah, 5 pi over 6. So the first one's like 4 pi over 3. So if you find that on the circle, it's down here.
in the third quadrant?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
And it wants the sine, and the sine is the y value. So it'd be this negative square root of 3 over 2. It's not the x value because that's cosine. We want the sine value.
Right.
So that's what I thought it was asking for.
Yeah, that's probably what it is asking for.
So are you saying that sine is like, for example, 4 pi over 3 is negative 3 squared over 2?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I think it is. And like the 7 pi one, I guess you just kind of count pi. So like you have 1 pi here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it ends up being you want sine, right? So the y value is 0.
Oh, okay.
I think that's
That
kind
makes
of
sense.
what it was asking for.
Okay. It didn't seem very explicit to me, but when it comes to that, I'm kind of dumb. So that makes much more sense to me.
Yeah. So it's like hide and seek kind of on the circle, just finding the values. If you know where it is on the circle, you're set pretty much. You just have to remember cosine is x and sine is y.
Okay.
Am I the only one having problems hearing you guys?
No, I'm having fun.
Okay.
Sounds echoey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so all of us are supposed to do one of these problems. Ashton did the first one.
So for the sorry.
No, Jennifer, go ahead.
For the third one, do I just like, because I haven't really reviewed this in a long time.
Yeah.
Do I just find where it says the sine 7 pi over 2 and then get the y from there, like Ashton was saying?
Yeah.
Yes.
But what if it's, I mean, and maybe I did this wrong, but I don't have that on my circle.
The same answer?
The 7 pi over 2.
Oh, you're right.
Oh, it's because it's more than one. Or, sorry, more than 2.
Kind of like a cosine angle.
Is 2 pi, right?
I'm sorry, I can't really hear you. This
Yeah,
thing's horrible.
Would that be? Yeah, that's like what, 3.5 pi?
Yeah, it is.
So then you'd go So you kind of find, this is annoying. So there's like my little pi there,
Mm-hmm.
and 2 pi, and you keep going around the circle, that'd be 3 pi. Which way is it going? I guess you go around this way. And then the half would come down to wherever that, what is that? Is it the 3 pi over 2?
And then
Is that right?
that's what I have.
And then it wants the sign, so that'd be
Negative
-1.
1.
Yeah, because that means you've gone 3 pi's around, and then that other half, I guess. I don't know if there's a simpler way to simplify it, but that's how I do it in my head.
Mm-hmm.
For 7 half pi.
Mm-hmm.
No, I think that is the easiest way. Because for 7 pi, you know that you kind of just divide it by 2. So it's 3.5. So it will go around 3.5 times. So it will end up at the
3 pi over 2.
80 degrees, which is, oops. Is that the square root of 180? Is that what y? Did anyone hear that?
No.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Is that Steve?
No, that was a message for me. Trying to figure out how to fix this. Okay. I'm not sure what it is. But Steve's back. Maybe. Okay. So you guys are all comfortable hearing? I can't hear that. Did everyone get the text I sent?
I can hear you.
You can hear me? Okay. Ashton, you can hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna hang up on everyone and then start the call. Because the sound isn't working very well. So,
Yeah, I can hear you slightly.
slightly. Okay. I will re-invite you all to this, but I'm just going to end this one to see if it will fix the problem. Okay? that good?